EagleRidge, your trusted partner for kitchen remodeling and renovation in West Valley City, Utah. EagleRidge is your trusted partner for kitchen remodeling and renovation services in West Valley City, Utah, proudly serving the 84119, 84120, and 84128 zip codes. Our expert team at EagleRidge is committed to transforming your kitchen into a space that blends style, functionality, and craftsmanship. From start to finish, we guide you through the process, ensuring your vision is realized with the highest standards. Our comprehensive kitchen remodeling services include kitchen remodeling and renovation. Transform your kitchen with expert renovations tailored to your needs. Kitchen makeovers and upgrades. Refresh your space with stylish and modern upgrades. Custom kitchen remodeling. Tailored solutions to make your kitchen uniquely yours. Kitchen renovation specialists. Specialists dedicated to perfecting every detail of your kitchen renovation. If you're looking for kitchen construction services, EagleRidge offers new kitchen construction. Design and build your dream kitchen from the ground up. Kitchen additions and extensions. Expand your kitchen space with thoughtful additions. Custom kitchen design and build. Personalized designs to fit your lifestyle and needs. For a perfectly organized kitchen, we provide expert cabinetry and storage solutions. Custom cabinetry and installation. Tailored cabinets to maximize space and style. Cabinet refacing and refinishing. Update your cabinets without full replacement. Kitchen islands and storage solutions. Create more space with smart storage and islands. We offer premium countertops and flooring services. Granite, quartz, and marble countertops. Choose from durable, high-quality materials. Flooring installation. Tile, hardwood, or vinyl flooring. Professional installation for a perfect finish. Lighting and plumbing services complete the transformation. Kitchen lighting installation. Illuminate your kitchen with under-cabinet and recessed lighting. Plumbing installation and relocation. Update or move your plumbing to suit your new layout. Additional services include electrical upgrades and smart home integration. Upgrade your kitchen's electrical system and integrate smart technologies. Kitchen ventilation solutions. Install efficient vent hoods and exhaust fans. Eco-friendly kitchen. Remodeling. Choose sustainable materials and energy-efficient appliances. EagleRidge is committed to providing quality craftsmanship and a seamless remodeling experience in West Valley City. Whether you're remodeling, upgrading, or building a new kitchen, our experienced professionals will ensure your project is completed on time, within budget, and to your satisfaction. Get started today with a free estimate. Call EagleRidge at 801-784-1457 or visit EagleRidgePros.com for more information.